Get excited about the 2018 Ford F-150. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.